Hello students, in BCom semester number 2, unit number 3 have 3 portions. First 2 portions we have completed in above lectures. Now we are going to discuss unit number 3, last portion, collection letters. Write a sympathetic but firm letter to a collection to one of your customer who is honest but financially incapable. First of all, I'm explaining you what is the collection letters. Collection letters is writing from the company to its customer, from one company, supplier company, to the seller company. Collection means what? Whenever you are getting the goods on credit, it means you have received the goods but you do not have paid the goods. That is called on credit. And you are failed to make payment of the goods that you have received from the seller. At that time, the seller company and the supplier company is writing a letter to you that please make a payment to us in time. You are failed to make payment on the date that you have explained to us that on that day we are making payment. So this is the informations about the collection letter. Bansal Timber is writing to Deliwala and Sons. So reference number is at there. We request you to kindly pay the above order bill of rupees 15,000 at the earliest if possible. If your financially position being unfavorable, you may pay by installment. If the wall is one is not possible at present, but please issue a check of certain number of amount from the total bill. If convenient to you, we have full sympathy to you. Therefore, we would be pleased to be helpful to you in your business development. Please don't take it seriously. We just request to make payment. Don't forcing you. We are expecting a check from you. Thank you very much. So this is the basic part of collection letter. It is, we can say that it is a reminder letter also. The goods sent by the company is requesting to you that from the 15,000 rupees you make a part payment because we require the money. At present, each and every person is having financially weak position. So it is a request letter from the seller to its customer that if we are not able to make a full payment, then make part payment or we expect check from you. In enclosure, a bill is at their copy of bill. Write another collection letter to one of your customer who is capable but miserly. So in the reference number you are writing bill number. Satyam Center is writing letter. Nilkamal Seth. You will be really pleased to know about new schemes of our overdue bill collection 2019. It is fantastic to give you 10% bumper discount in advance. Just take a checkbook and draw a check in favor of Satyam Center only for 9,000 instead of 10,000. You have a 10% discount in advance and send check by registry at our cost. Please note that the scheme is up to 31st December 2019 only. Later on, company will charge 5% interest on due bills. We hope you will not miss the golden opportunity. Here the receiver of the goods is not making payment in time. The reason why company is making some schemes for the customer, and this is in favor of customer, that they can make payment for overdue bill with the discount, and this is good for their financial conditions. It is good for receiving the money in time. Some of the customers accept this challenge and accept this scheme, and sometime it may happen that customers not accept this scheme. So again, copy of bill is at there. Demand letter. Now the form of collection letter is changed. It is demand letter. Tata Steel Corporation is writing to Battiwala and Sons. Older bill which is due in September of rupees 20,000, and we are writing the letter in October 2019. We have informed you that the above bill has not been paid through. It's already overdue. Please arrange to make its payment as early as possible. Please pay personal attention in this regard. A copy of bill is enclosed to you at there. Please take prompt action and positive actions. An early reply is appreciable. We hope to receive your cooperation. So this is the normal letter. This is the demand letter. In demand letter we are giving copy of bill is at there. Now the reminder letter, it is also one of another pattern of asking collection letters. Tata Steel is writing to Battiwala and Sons. We have to remind you of your last letter dated December 18, 2019. Payment of above noted due bill. Still, it has not been paid by you. Therefore, we request you to issue a check for its payment. We hope you will look in this matter personally and see the check is issued promptly without fail. So this is a reminder letter that in earlier demand letter we have demanded you for overdue bill. In earlier time we had writing you a reminder letter, but still you are not making payment to us in time. It's too long that you have not paid bill. It spoils our business relation. In future course of action, it may happen that we lose our trust on you and we do not have a good business conditions. So please make a payment in time. This is the main agenda of this reminder letter. After the reminder letter, you are writing the legal action letter. This is the last stage of collection letters. After that letters, we can say that there is no any other term with which we can write the legal or collection letters. Tata Steel to Battiwala and Sons. We are surprised to see that in spite of our many reminders, you regarding not payment overdue bills, you have neither paid nor given any explanation. You are not writing a single letter, you are not giving a single reply to us. Instead of communication, instead of payment, you are not receiving our call. You can also write at there. And we don't think that you make apologize towards, but at least you receive our calls. We therefore request you to pay as earlier as possible. If you fails to issue a check within a week, we shall compel to consult our legal advisor. So here you are saying that you will take a legal action if you fail to make payment of such checks. As you know, the legal attention is never profitable to anyone. It is not goodful or fruitful to us, and also it spoils reputation, it spoils business relation. So you will not force us to do that. So please issue a check to avoid such inconvenience and created legal actions. And this is our last reminder to you that please make communication to us as soon as possible, otherwise we will be appreciated to do such positive actions against you. Another form of legal action, and this is the last for this unit. We shocked to see, in spite of our last letter indicating for legal actions, still you are not making payment, and still you are not communicating, still you are not replying to us. Now we are in a form, and now we are in a charge to take legal actions to you. Kindly issue a check to avoid such legal complication in future. Please let us seriously noted that we shall file a suit in court. So in court we are filing a case against you. That is called we are filing a suit against you. If you fail to make the payment soon, we shall not responsible for any inconvenience to you. We hope you will not compel us such a hard step. Copy of bill is enclosed to you at there. So here comes the unit number 3rd is an over. In next lecture we are communicating in unit number 4.